If you want to record in Audacity without a microphone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record internal computer audio in Audacity, so you can capture sound directly from your computer instead of using an external mic. This is perfect for recording music, system audio, streaming audio, or even the sound from a video playing on your screen. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once Audacity is open, look for the Audio Setup button near the top of the window. Click on it to open the Audio Settings menu. From there, hover over Host. You'll see a list of available host options, and you want to click Windows WASAPI. This is the key setting that lets Audacity capture sound digitally from other applications on your computer. In simple terms, it tells Audacity to listen to your system audio instead of relying on a microphone. Once that is selected, click Audio Setup again. This time, hover over Recording Device. A list of input options will appear, and you want to choose the option that says Loopback. Make sure the Loopback device matches the speakers or headphones you are currently using, because this ensures Audacity captures the correct audio output. If you're using headphones, select the Headphone Loopback option. If you're using speakers, select the Speaker Loopback option. Matching the device properly is very important, because if it doesn't line up with your output device, Audacity may not record anything at all. After that, you're ready to start recording. Click the red record button at the top of Audacity. At first, it may look like nothing is happening, but that's normal. Audacity only begins recording once it detects an active sound signal. So now, start playing the audio you want to capture. This could be a YouTube video, a song, a podcast, or any other sound coming from your computer. As soon as the audio starts playing, Audacity will begin recording it internally. Let it run for as long as you need, and keep an eye on the waveform so you can tell the audio is being captured properly. When you're finished, click the black stop button to end the recording. After that, you can play it back, trim it, or export it just like any other Audacity project. And that's it. You've successfully recorded in Audacity without a microphone by capturing internal computer audio using Windows WASAPI and Loopback. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.